Have you ever walked into a store for just one item but ended up leaving with a cart full of things you never planned to buy? That's not a coincidence. Stores are masters of subtle persuasion, using psychology and clever tactics to get you to spend more than you intended. From layout designs to the colors they use, and even the music they play, every element is designed to influence your decisions. In today's video, we'll unravel the fascinating tricks stores use to manipulate shoppers, helping you become a more aware and empowered consumer. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never see shopping the same way again. 1. The power of store layouts. Stores aren't designed randomly. They're strategically planned to guide you on a specific journey. Entrances. Most stores place visually appealing displays or high-demand items like seasonal goods at the entrance. This creates a positive first impression and sets a buying mood. Flow of traffic. Ever notice how most stores guide you to walk counterclockwise? Studies suggest that since the majority of people are right-handed, they're naturally drawn to the right side, so stores strategically place premium products there. Essential items at the back. Grocery stores often place essentials like milk and bread at the far end. This forces you to pass through aisles filled with tempting items you didn't come for. 2. Pricing tricks. Pricing is more than just numbers. It's an art form in consumer psychology. Charm pricing. Ever wondered why prices end in 0.99 or 0.95? A $9.99 price feels significantly less than $10, even though the difference is just a penny. Bigger discounts. Stores love to use phrases like, buy one, get one free, or 50% off. These discounts often make you buy more than you need, even if the savings aren't as substantial as they appear. Anchor pricing. Retailers show a high original price next to the discounted price to make the discount seem like an irresistible deal, even if the original price was inflated. 3. The role of sensory triggers. Stores engage all your senses to create a shopping environment that feels almost irresistible. Music. Upbeat tunes make you move faster, while slower, relaxing music encourages you to linger, and the longer you stay, the more you spend. Scents. Bakeries often vent the smell of fresh bread or cookies to lure you in. Clothing stores use signature scents to create a sense of luxury or relaxation. Lighting. Bright lighting highlights products, while softer lights in fitting rooms make you look better in outfits, encouraging purchases. 4. Clever product placement. Where products are placed on shelves can greatly influence what you buy. Eye level is buy level. Brands pay premium prices to place their products at your eye level because that's where shoppers naturally look first. Kids products. In toy or cereal aisles, items targeted at children are often placed lower, within their reach. Checkout counters. Small, inexpensive items are placed at the checkout to tempt you while you wait. Those candies, magazines, or gadgets are called impulse buys for a reason. 5. Creating a sense of urgency. Limited time offers, flash sales, or countdowns create FOMO, fear of missing out, pushing you to buy immediately. Scarcity tactics, labels like only 2 left in stock, can make you feel the pressure to buy before it's too late, even if there's plenty available. Seasonal exclusivity. Products tied to holidays or limited editions make shoppers feel they'll miss out if they don't buy now. 6. Loyalty programs and rewards. Stores know you love feeling rewarded for your purchases. Points and discounts. Loyalty cards make you think you're saving money, but they also track your shopping habits to market even more effectively to you. Free perks. Programs offering free shipping or gifts after spending a certain amount encourage you to spend more than you planned just to hit that threshold. The next time you step into a store, you'll be armed with the knowledge to see through these sneaky strategies. Remember, shopping doesn't have to feel like a battle. You can regain control by sticking to a list, setting a budget, and being mindful of your triggers. Have you noticed any of these tactics while shopping? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights that help you outsmart the world around you. Until next time, happy mindful shopping.